Hello everybody. This is my dog Kitt right here, and I think he's possessed. Let me explain. If you are a follower or one of my subscribers, you know lately I've been doing a lot of urban legends and ghostly things. Well, I think my dog Kitt picked up an attachment. I mean, just look at him. Just look at him. Don't he look like some type of demon dog? You know, a dog from maybe hell? I think one of these many places that I had my puppy, he picked up some type of attachment. Let me tell you what he's been doing, and overlooked that loud truck up there on the highway. The other day, he was waking up and he seen my wife's Squishmallow. Brand new Squishmallow. He attacked it. He'd shoot into it until the insides came out. Yes, you're probably saying that's what dogs do, but not my doggy. Normally my doggy understands that's my wife's Squishmallow and won't touch it. He won't. I truly think he has an attachment, and it's possibly demonic. Yeah, demonic, right? Look at that, look at that. He's even showing his teeth. I'll give you some other examples. He's been barking at our back door going out on our deck constantly. Just ruff, 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 ruff. Of course, it could be a scene of shadow, you know, I mean, or it could be a squirrel out there, but pretend it's not. He's been tearing up his toys. Yeah. I just had to throw one of his balls away yesterday. He popped the top on it. When we've been playing, he's been doing a lot of growling. And then he'll look at you and go, psh, yeah, I'm talking about you, you know, hey, psh, yeah, you ain't gonna do it now, is you? And probably the biggest one yet is, I had him at the dog park yesterday. He ran, he played, he ran, he played. At first I thought he was almost normal until we got him in the back of the car. And his tongue was hanging out of his mouth. Of course, one would say he's probably hot and tired, but I think he's because he's got a demon in him. Yeah, he's possessed. So let me tell you what I'm doing today. Well, right now I gotta hit that garbage can. We'll get to that at the end of the video. Since I think my dog's possessed, I'm going to have an exorcism. I'm gonna walk that damn demon out. I know what I'm doing. I seen The Exorcist. Plus I looked up online. I figure all I have to do is just walk him and walk him and walk him. I meant walk him and the demon will come out. What do you think? See, look, see him pulling at me right now. He is so possessed. Poor puppy. I may have to say a few words to kind of for this exorcism to work. Demon, be gone. Oh, well, that's not exactly what I wanted you to do. Demon, be gone. Oh, he's fighting it, guys. Look, he's kicking his feet. If your head starts turning around and you start rising from the ground, I'm running. You know how much daddy and mommy love you? Oh, please release that demon. Please. Please, oh, I think, maybe. I can't show you that part. He needs his privacy. You know, releasing a demon is private. He did it, guys, he did it. Oh my God, he did it. One demon in the bag, y'all. That's right, one demon in the bag. He released that demon like a pro. I'm so proud of him. That's right. Woo. Now I gotta be careful where I walk my doggy, because I got lots of adventures coming up that's gonna be a little spooky. Oh yes I do. Trust me. So I don't know. I may have to do something to keep from another demon attaching itself to my puppy. Hope you guys liked today's video. Thought I'd have a little fun, little spooky fun at my dog's expense. And just in case you guys are wondering, yes, I'm coming out of character. Hold on, Kitt, stay. This was not the real deal. No. Let me show you. All this was, hold on, all this was was just grass. That's all it was. The real deal, nope, don't eat that, Bubby. The real deal was done way over yonder there, and that's why I had to find a can. I thought I'd have a little fun with the Halloween spirit. As Halloween be coming up in October, I thought I'd have a little fun, you know, do a little skit. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave your comments down below if you want to see some more little stupid skits like this. Yes, I call it stupid because most people probably will. I would love to do more. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching, and come on, let's get out of here.